Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And I spy a Stang. She's beautiful. This is exactly what I've been looking for. But of course, I don't own it. Black. She's got 235, 55, 17s. Black, yellow and black. Convertible, automatic, leather. Gotta be a 86. 2007. Gorgeous. GT, what is it? It's a 6. 2006. GT. Convertible. It's exactly what I'd get if I was able to find one. GT. That is beautiful. Standard. Hasn't done anything to it. It's just standard. Beautiful GT. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch me on the next I Spy a Stang.